What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. As you guys can see that I'm in my boxer shorts. The advantages of being your own boss. Sorry if I just scarred you for life. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 16.9K, up 1.3 on the day, sitting market cap of 322 billion, 24-hour volume 27.08 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. We are starting to break out of this wedge pattern. So we'll see if going into New York time, if they can see continuation to the upside. Otherwise, you could definitely see a fake out because we have pushed up in our wave E. If you do see a fake out and we break back down into the pattern, we start to break down, that's when you'll start to see that continuation to the downside, in my opinion. Now, if we were to break out to the upside and see a larger push, then there's a couple of scenarios. Potentially, you could see an impulse to the upside in like a 1-2-1-2 setup and then pushing up into 3. But there's a couple of scenarios. I mean, this is a wave 1 down. This could be a wave A, and this is a wave B, and then you push up in a wave C and a wave 2 and still see continuation to the downside. I think the major level to get back above for any sort of bullish scenario is about 18.3K, this previous support, 18.3, 18.4. If you can break above that, hold it, and start to push back up to 20K, then potentially you could throw back into that large area of consolidation. But as of right now, I do think we will see continuation down to about 10 to 13K that we've been calling on the channel here for many, many months now. So looking on the daily time frame, as you can see, we have started to break this wedge. So you would take a technical target of measuring the body, take it to your point of breakout, and that could take you back up to about 18.9K. Just be very cautious. We could definitely potentially see a fake out if we just fall back down into the pattern. But if we can hold the 20 EMA here on the 4-hour and you do see some volume step in, most likely would happen in the New York trading hours, then potentially you could push to the upside. Just be very cautious, in my opinion. Looking at the Dow Jones, I've been calling for a bull trap in the Discord for feels like a few weeks now as we started to break out here. Bearish divergence on the daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, losing strength. I do think what's going to happen here is the Dow Jones is faking people out to the upside, and then it's going to fall back down into this pattern. And that's when you'll see the price of Bitcoin fall. Looking at the DXY, this is the daily time frame. We are sitting at a level of support here. There is a bullish divergence here on the 4-hour time frame that still looks like it has room to play out and push to the upside, which would be negative for the price of Bitcoin. But if we were to break down, then you could see this as a bit of a bear flag. So if it did break down here, then obviously you may see a little bit of a relief bounce for BTC. But even if Bitcoin were to push up, I do think you would just come to retest that resistance and get rejected once again. I do think 10 to 13K is highly probable. I think that's basically it for this little update. Let me quickly open up the Discord. If you sign up to Bybit, there's a full-length tutorial. The link is in the description. Up to $30,000 in bonuses. If you don't want to use a VPN, you can sign up to BitGet as a US trader, and you email me your sign-up email, I will give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. They are posting chart patterns. They're talking all things crypto, and at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trades. You can also see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays, what coins I'm dollar cost averaging into. It's only 10 bucks a month. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon. And make sure to sign up to Bybit or BitGet if you'd like to. Free access to the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.